Do you want to know how to create a PaySafeCard account? Here's the step-by-step process on how to create a PaySafeCard. So first, you need to click your web browser and open it. Just simply use the search bar for you to able to search for the PaySafeCard. After that, click the PaySafeCard website and you will see this page. You will see the sign up as well as the login. But in this case, we are going to create a new account. So let's just click the sign up button. Once we click the sign up button, PaySafeCard will ask a few questions just like this, which is the country of residence. Select which country you are currently living and click continue. After that, you will be needing to input your email address and password. Make sure that the email address that you put is already existing so that you can verify it on your email. You will see this type of email for confirmation and you will see the confirm email button right there, and you just have to click it for you to able to verify your email on your PaySafe card. After that, you will see this page which is you already verified or successfully verified your email address. After that, you will be needing to enter your personal details, which is the first, last, as well as the date of birth of yours. Also, PaySafeCard will ask for your complete address and your mobile number as well. And that's it. You already created your PaySafeCard account.